Continuing on, we're now going to look at diagrams, maps and processes. On this page we can see a map or two maps. We have a before and an after scenario. Sometimes these will have dates. They will have, for example, 1950 and 2010 as an example. So you will have both types. If you write about dates, if they have dates, then you'll have to include those dates in the body. So just reiterating that, some maps will show two different years, often set years apart, but sometimes no information is given about time, just as this one is. The procedure is still the same. Your overview will describe the differences and the main points relating to the differences. We can begin by using any of the introductions you've learnt earlier. So here's our example. It can be seen that there has been considerable construction with regards to accommodation for tourism, with notably the retention of all trees, or all of the trees. So here we have the trees in the original map. In the second map we have extensive construction for tourism and the retention of all the trees. So they're the main things. In your essay you'll describe what's been added, what's been moved, etc. So moving on to the next thing, which is the final thing, is processes. This process comes in a flow diagram or a sequence. So here we can see the sequential flow of stages in the process of paper production. So pulp and paper making process. We do the same thing as before. We count the number of stages and begin with the first and end with the last. As this stage here has two parallel stages, we include this in our overview. So one stage, another stage, they run in parallel with each other and they produce different kinds of paper. So our overview can be something like this. The 5 stages in the first process go from the felling of trees, so felling of trees, to the production of the pulp here. After this there are 2 separate processes of 5 stages each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6, but we can just put some together. These two kind of go together. So, but that's an example of how you construct your overview, or overviews should I say. So, short recap. Overviews for all of the different types of Task 1 essays are identical at certain stages, then they differ. Practice writing all 4 types regularly. The overview will always begin the same, and here's some examples of these. I don't need to repeat them. It's worth noting, more importantly, that a good overview will increase your score. It tells the examiner that you understand the data and can accurately provide a basic view of what can be seen. We can provide you with examples for you to practice with if you visit our website, and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will get notified, or you will be notified every time a new video is added. So the next part of this series of writing is going to deal with the next stage, which is writing our body paragraphs. So once again, keep viewing. The more subscribers and viewers we get, the more videos we will make. Okay, so thank you for your time.